Hi friends, I'm so glad to see you back again today to practice your sound work. Let's get started. Thumbs up. It's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, oh yeah. It's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, oh yeah. Rhyming words sound the same at the end. Great work, my friends. Okay, remember we're listening for that last chunk of a word to see if they rhyme. Now, I'll say two words, you'll repeat them, and then you'll give me a thumbs up if those two words rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Here we go. First two words are swell, spell. Swell ends with L. Spell ends with L. L-L, they sound the same, so those two words rhyme. Thumbs up. All right, your turn. Repeat after me. Stack, snip. Thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Clock in your answer. Thumbs down. Stack ends with ack. Snip ends with ip. So ack and ip, those are not the same. So stack and snip do not rhyme. All right, next one. Spill, spend. Repeat it. Spill, spend. Thumbs up if they rhyme. Thumbs down again. Spill ends with ill. Spend ends with end. Ill and end. Thumbs down. All right, what about slug, snug? Thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Thumbs up, very good. Slug and snug both end with ugh. Okay, last one. Slab, swab. Thumbs down. Slab ends with ab. Slob ends with ob. Ab and ob are not the same, so those words do not rhyme. What's at the beginning? I don't know. What's at the beginning? I don't know. We're listening for beginning sounds. That's the first sound you hear. And just like the past couple days, we're not just listening for one sound. We're listening for the beginning blend sound. Now remember, a blend is when we have two consonants that come together and they each say their sounds, but we say them like a chunk. So we'll do the first one together. Now remember, there's two ways that we can practice this. So if I say the word scat and you're listening for the beginning blend sound, you might just be able to go scat, sk. Or you might want to pound it out, and that's fine too. So you would go scat, sk, sk, scat. The beginning blend sound is sk. Either way is fine with me. Let's try our first one. Sled. Repeat it. Sled. The beginning blend is sl. Good. Stick. The beginning blend is st. Smock. Sm. How are we doing? Are we doing good? Swing. Beginning sound is sw. One more. Stomp. Stomp. The beginning blend is st. Good work, friends. All right, let's get ready to blend. Let's blend a word, let's blend a word, let's blend a word, oh yeah. Let's blend a word, let's blend a word, let's blend a word, oh yeah. Okay, friends, I'm going to give you the sounds, and you're gonna blend them together to tell me the word. Let's do one together first. Snap. Snap. All right, now it's your turn. I'll give you the sounds, you blend them together, and then I'll tell you what the answer is so you can check to see how you're doing. Here we go. Here's the first one. Slip. The word is slip. How'd you do? What about sped? The word is Bed. Good job. Okay, let's go to some 5-sound words. S, w, e, p, t. What was the word? Swept. Okay. S, k, k. The word is skunk, like the smelly animal. Last one. S, t, p, t. The word was stopped, like we stopped here for blending words today. All right, friends. Now we're going to talk about middle sounds. What's in the middle? I don't know. What's in the middle? I don't know. We're listening for middle sounds. It's not the first sound. It's not the last sound. It's the sound that's in the middle. And remember, one of the strategies that we use at school is to do the roller coaster to help us find the middle sound. So remember, the first sound is at the bottom of the roller coaster. The middle sound is up here at the top of the roller coaster. And the last sound is at the bottom of the hill of the roller coaster on the other side. So if I said the word map, app, map. The middle sound was that sound up here. Ah. Okay, here we go. Let's find the middle sound in get. Do the roller coaster with me. G, et, get. The middle sound was eh, eh, eh. Awesome. Next one, hot. What was that middle sound? Ah, good. Pup. The middle sound was good. Bed. The middle sound was eh. Awesome job finding that middle sound, friends. Let's get ready to chop a word. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Oh yeah. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Oh yeah. All right, friends. I'm going to give you the whole word, and you're going to chop it into its sound. Now remember, these words are going to have blends. When we chop a word into its sounds, we break the blend. So for example, in the word smack, I hear sm at the beginning. I want to break that apart into both sounds. So in the word smack, it would be smack, smack. Got it? Here we go. Let's chop the word stop. Okay, go for it. Stop. How'd you do? Let's do another one. Spot. Spot would be spot, spot. Good. Okay, let's do another one. Still. Go for it. Still would be still. Nice word. Let's do a 5-sound one. This word's going to have a beginning blend and an ending blend. Break them both apart. Spent. Spent. Go for it. Spent. Spent. All right, last one. Let's do stuck. Go ahead. Stuck. Stuck. Good job. All right, let's add a part. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Oh yeah. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Oh yeah. All right, friends, I'm going to give you a part of a word, and then I'm going to give you a sound at the beginning. We'll add it together to make the whole word. It's going to make a blend at the beginning. So if I said, say lead, add s at the beginning, the word is sled. That the s and the u come together to make sled, okay? Say nap, add s at the beginning, and the word is snap. Very good. Say tick, add s at the beginning, and the word is stick. Awesome job. Say lot, add s at the beginning, and the word is slot. All right, friends. Go ahead and let's delete. Let's delete a part. Let's delete a part. Let's delete a part. Oh, yeah. Let's delete a part. Let's delete a part. Let's delete a part. Oh, yeah. Okie doke, friends. I'm going to give you a word. The word is going to have a beginning blend. We're going to take away the first sound from that blend, but that second sound will still be there. You'll tell me what's left, okay? So say stack. Take away the s, and you're left with tack. Say stop. Take away the s, and you're left with top. Good. And remember, instead of saying take away, I can also say without. So let's try a few with those. Say spill without say spill without s. You're left with pill. Okay? Say swell without s. You're left with well. Awesome job. Okay, you try one. Say scab without s. You're left with cab. Very good job. Okie doke. Last part. Let's change a part. Let's change a part. Let's change a part. Let's change a part. Oh, yeah. Let's change a part. Let's change a part. Let's change a part. Oh, yeah. Okay, my friends, I'll give you a word, and we're going to change the beginning blend to a different beginning blend to make a new word. So say spill. Change this p to a sk, and the word is skill. Say slop. Change the sl to a st, and the word is stop. Say stack. Change the st to a sm, and the word is smack. Good job. Last one. Say swept. Change the sw to a sl, and the word is slept. Awesome job, my friends. Thank you again for practicing with me, and I'll see you tomorrow.